Hello, everyone. This is the time to revolutionize the pilot training. I think teacher should be more of like a facilitator in which he can provide a platform where the students can really engage and learn from each other. This is what I am trying to do. Like we have created so many small teams, and the students they learn from each other. They do a research, they make their points, they discuss their points, and and they learn from each other. I think this way their retention power becomes better, their confidence levels becomes better, and they performs better in the interviews and in the airlines. So it's time to change the conventional method, and it's time to bring new methodology in aviation industry as well. So as you can see, there are a lot of teams here, and they're discussing, and they're doing research, and they're writing on their sheets, and that way, I think they'll learn more because they will get to learn from different perspective also. They will have so many points to learn, and they will be able to retain for a longer period of a time, and they will learn the practicality of every topic. Please raise a hand and show. Wow, great. Wow, so colorful and so many points. So, who is the winner? Wait, I think they might be the winners. They might be. Beyond Blue. See? Okay, wait, let me see. Even they are also competitors. Afterburn. Lulu Crew. Zulu. Okay. Team Sonic. ये कम है नहीं यार बहुत है Sky Rollers. Corporates. Wow. Team Sky Matrix. ये बड़े कम है. Very less. And not in the competition. Air Arabia. Wow. 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 You should also consider the points. Yeah. I will. Okay. Okay. Okay, take your sheets once again back. Marlboro कौन है? Falcons. Team Sky Matrix. Sky Rollers. Sonic. Zulu. Beyond Blue. And Afterburn Alliance. Okay. I think you guys have done the PhD today, yaar. Isn't it? Okay. So, Aja. Okay, so let's do, from them, because it looks like they have written so many points. It's looked, I'm not saying ki they are the winners. I'm not saying this, okay? But can you please stand up and say few points, at least 20 points, or 10 points, yeah, from Indigo. Can you stand?
Our team name is Beyond Blue, and so I will start with the legal name of Indigo, which is Interglobe Aviation Limited, founded in 2006. So Indigo first flight is from New Delhi to Imphal via Guwahati, and market share of Indigo is 64.2%. So Indigo has 400 plus fleet with A320 Neo 187, A321 Neo 141 and ATR 48, along with A321 Fighter 3, A320 CEO 28, 2200 plus daily flights.
Okay, got it. Fine. Next team. Okay, can we have a round of applause for him? And can we have a round of applause for Beyond Blue? What's your good name? Mansi. Okay, just say, hi, I'm Mansi. Just say, hi, I'm Mansi. Okay, wait. We will follow one ritual. Whenever somebody says, hi, I'm Mansi, all of you, we have to say, hi, Mansi. तुम लोग बड़े जोश में आ गए ये वाला ग्रुप है good that's the spirit, that's the energy we need. Yeah, please go ahead and say your team name also. Zulu Crew.
Okay, so hi, I'm Mansi, and my team's name is Zulu Crew. So I would like to add some few points about Indigo. So Indigo's total revenue is around 215 billion and the entire market value is around 21.7 trillion. The profit that Indigo has is 21.8 billion. And for environmental factors, we have the lowest carbon emissions. And the awards I would like to say is Best Airline in India and South Asia, Airline of the Year 2024, and World's Youngest Fleet.
Great. Good. Okay, can we have a round of applause for Mansi? Thanks.
So hi everyone, my name is Karan.
Okay, wait. Hi, Karan. Good job. Well, you guys are smart, yaar.
So my team name is Airborne Elite. So the few points that are not being mentioned is that Indigo covers like 90 plus domestic and 40 plus international, and it is expanding. And another thing I would like to mention is that their workforce is more than 41,000, out of which 45.5% is women. And their on-time performance rate is 83.4%. Load factor is 84.6%. And new routes that are being added recently is the London that is going to start in October 26th, Manchester November 15th.
ठीक है. Great job. Give a round of applause for him. You.
Hi.
Wait. Hi, Shanay. That's the way.
Uh,
Team name.
I'm representing my team called BE6E, B6E. And since everyone has already covered a bunch of statistics, I'd like to go beyond that and mention that India was previously known as the graveyard for aviation due to the collapses and falls of many great airlines. So in that environment, Indigo is one of the airline that flourishes as a flower in the industry and is booming in the industry. A latest interview of the Indigo co-founder Rahul Bhatia told that Indigo will be the world's first airline to induct 1,000 women pilot by the end of 2026. Outside of business ventures, they also focus on social impacts as they have worked on rural development in places like Himachal Pradesh and water body restoration in Tamil Nadu. Going back to the time of the pandemic, in the time of COVID-19, since everything was shut down, and despite all of that, Indigo was one of the airlines that delivered approximately 8 crore vaccines throughout the country and as well and internationally as well. Indigo also works on pilot mental health being and stress and fatigue management. This has been shown to us through a proof of concept test that was done with the help of wearable wrist devices.
Great job. Okay, can we have a round of applause for him?
Hi everyone, my name is B Rangat.
Hi, Birang.
Thank you. अब क्या हो गया?
Come on.
नाम
1,
नहीं
2,
समझ
3,
आया
go.
होगा सर शायद. नाम नहीं प्रोनाउंस कर रहा है.
B Rangat, na?
Yes sir.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, sir.
That's the way.
So,
होते हैं pro
I'm-
pilots.
I am representing my team, Team Mac 1, and as all of these have stated many points for the Indigo, but one point they have missed is CSR, and in this Indigo Reach is CSR of Indigo, dedicated to sustainable development through our focused work on women empowerment, environment, and heritage conservation. The embodies our vision of connecting India by Indigo, and basically all the points have been mentioned, but the domestic destinations are 94, the correction which was done for that, and the international are 45.
Great job.
Thank
Round of applause for him. Thank you. Thank you. You. It was about Air Arabia, no? You can mention that I will be telling about Air Arabia. Okay, listen, Air Arabians. Okay, Air Arabia कौन सी team है? You and you, na? Any other team of Air Arabia? Okay, others also listen about Air Arabia. You can also aspire to join Air Arabia, yeah? Okay? Don't limit yourself to Indigo or Air India only. Okay? Fly the way also, yes. Aim higher.
I'm Tanna. Our team name is Ravenhawk Aviation, and I'll talk about Air Arabia as our airline. The airline started on, it was brought up and it began in 2003, and the commercial operations started in 28th October 2003. The type of airline, it's a low-cost carrier, and the chairman, it's Sheikh Abdullah bin Mohammed Al Thani. The CEO is Abul Abdullah Al Ali. The fleet size, it provides 83 aircrafts as of now, including the A320s and the A321s. Pending orders are 120 Airbuses. Mainly operates in the MENA region, follows multiple hub models, and they are Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, Egypt, Morocco, Pakistan, Ras Al Khaimah. Code share agreement with Etihad and Air Arabia Abu Dhabi. And expansion plans are the low-cost carrier launching in Dammam. Joint venture in Pakistan with Fly Jinnah. Ordered 120 aircrafts, as I told you earlier.
Fine. Can we have a round of applause for her? Good job. Yeah, that team. You. Yes, sir.
So my team name is Falcons. So
Team name is
Falcon.
Okay.
So I am representing the Air Arabia Airlines. So it is the first low-cost carrier in the Middle East, established in 2003, headquartered in Sharjah, UAE. So the IATA code is G9, and it has a fleet of 83 aircraft, including A321 and A320. So it has ordered 120 new aircraft, and it has 200 plus destinations. And the subsidiaries are Air Arabia Abu Dhabi, Air Arabia Egypt, Air Arabia Morocco, Fly Jinnah Pakistan, and Air Arabia Dammam. And it has over 500 employees. 5,000 employees, and the annual turnover of 2025 is Q1 770 million and Q2 415 million. And the first route was from Manama, Bahrain, Sharjah to Bahrain, and it has a record profit of 1.6 billion in 2024. And recently they added 31 new routes from Sharjah and 7 new routes in 2025 in Q1.
Great job. Can we have a round of applause for him? Whatever was not been covered, you can cover that. Okay?
Hi, my name is Murli Krishna.
Hi, Murli Krishna.
Today I want to speak about Indigo. Our team name is Airborne Troops. Indigo Interglobe Aviation Limited, founded in 2005 by Rahul Bhatia and Rakesh Gangwal. The headquarters of Indigo is Gurgaon. CEO Peter Elbers. Fleet size is 416. And Indigo is the world's fastest growing airline fleet. The business model of Indigo is type low cost air carrier. Key strategy is affordable and hassle-free services. And Indigo training train pilots. Indigo core values are on-time performance, clean and efficient, customer first attitude, safety, reliability, and simplicity.
Okay, can we have a round of applause for him? Good job.
So, hey guys, I'm Surya. Hi, Surya. So, for a few facts about Indigo, the CEO is Peter Elbers, the COO is Isidre Porcius, CEO Gaurav Negi, the chairman is Mr. Vikram Singh, and MD is Mr. Rahul Bhatia. So, coming to the 5 core values of Indigo, it's power of we, always safe, passionately consistent, humility with pride, and service from the heart. So, a few initiatives by Indigo are the blue chip loyalty programs and the introduction of the Indigo Stretch, a premium product for customers. And there are a few codeshare agreements of Indigo with Turkish Airlines, British Airways, KLM, and American Airlines, and as such. So, coming to the business model, it's a hub and spoke model. Indigo takes the initiative of loss leadership and sales and EC.
Great job. Can we round of applause for him? Next is you.
Everyone, I'm Emily.
Sorry?
I'm Emily.
Emily. Hi, Emily.
So I'm representing my team, and my team name is Sky Team Matrix. The first point will be Indigo is India's largest airline and most preferred PAX airline, and amongst fastest growing airline in the world. And its IATA code is 6E. ICAO code is IGO, and call sign is iFly. It was founded by Mr. Rakesh Kangwal and Mr. Rahul Padya in 2005. And its first flight was from New Delhi to Impal via Guwahati in August 2006. And the pillars of Indigo are its on-time performance, affordable fares, courteous and hassle-free service, and unparalleled network. And its corporate social responsibilities are that women empowerment, its environment, and heritage conservation. And some of the Indigo's journeys are, in 2006, it started its operation. In 2009, it became profitable. In 2011, it went international from New Delhi to Dubai. In 2014, ordered 100 aircrafts, and in 2015, it went public at this IPO. In 2017, ordered 50 ADR 72 and served 46 destinations. In 2018, got shares with Turkish Airlines. In 2022, it served more than 100 destinations and started foreign businesses with A321. In 2023, ordered 500 aircraft at Paris Air Show. In 2024, Indigo received 60 aircrafts.
Okay, great
you.
job. Can we roll applause for her? So if any points which has not been covered and it's there in the sheet, is there any here? You can cover that.
So, Indigo's parent company is Interglobal Aviation Limited, and the call sign is iFly. They have like 2,200 flies aircrafts are in operation every day. More than 3 lakhs of people are traveling in Indigo per day. So, they have leased Boeing 777 and Boeing 787. Boeing 777 is from Turkish Airways, and Boeing 787 is from North Atlantic Airlines. The India's largest growing airline, which has 60% of domestic marketing, which is more than an Air India in India. So it's like they have won multiple awards like Skytrack and CAPA India Airlines of the Year, then etc. So there are a lot of awards they have, which has zero crash issues, and it has a very good support. Like customer service are really good, and they prioritize more more care for the passengers, which is really good. And they have the code shares, as they mentioned, Air France and other KLM, Japan Airlines, Turkish, and other things. Yeah, that's it.
Great job. Give a round of applause for him. Okay, all teams are done. Perfect. All right. I think you guys have done the PSD. Okay. So say high five to your team members and say, I did the PSD on Indigo. Come on. 1, 2, 3, go. High five. Come on, guys. And say that you're an awesome pilot, okay? Say to everyone in your team, say, you're an awesome pilot. High five, high five. High five, you're an awesome pilot. Come on, come on. Energy, energy. ऐसे नहीं, come on here. One more time. 1, 2, 3, go. अरे क्या हो गया? नहीं, you're an awesome pilot. Come on, high five. Come on. Wish others here. Okay. Okay, fine. So, who would like to tell me what they have learned from this activity? Who would like to tell? Something which you were not knowing, but now you know. Is there something like that? Anyone who would like to share? Or what this activity has brought to you? Yeah.
Like this actually teaches us the team discussions, like the ability to share the knowledge with each other.
Right.
That's a very good thing. So the team coordinations, the discussions was really good. People who don't know, they will learn it, and people who knows, they can chat it. These are like we can connect more easy.
Absolutely.
We can make some friends, and it's a really good time for this to for our aviation and for a pilot. It is a very good thing for us to discuss and have a team in our. So it is a very useful useful program for it.
Fine. Good job. Round of applause for him. Yes, anybody else who would like to share? Anybody else? What have you learned from this activity? Anybody? Any pointers which you were not knowing, but now you know after discussing?
A very deep knowledge about the airline.
Very deep knowledge now. Okay. Good. Good.
And so apart from technical things, we also got to know about how and how
कुछ तो अच्छा बोल रहा है तू यार.
apart from all the technical things,
One second. एक बार खड़ा हो जा. क्यों बोल रहा?
apart from all the technical things, we also got to know about the work culture of the airline that goes, and through multiple sets of mind, we got to know various point of view from different people. And teamwork is one of those things also, because we have to came up with the particular points by what I would say, coordination. Yeah.
Can we have a round of applause for him? Anybody else? Anybody else who would like to share what they have learned or their experience, whatever? Any other points which you think that you have learned which you are not doing? Anybody? Okay, fine. Do you think maybe, but do you think now you don't have to study about Indigo for your interview? Do you think so? How many of you think that at least now I have the confidence that even if I don't study this before my interview, maybe एक बार एक हल्का सा scan मारना पड़ेगा maybe. That way they probably will take maybe 4-5 minutes maximum, and then you're sorted about this. How many of you do think so? Take a picture of this, and you can share it with GE credit preparation also, so that later on before your interview you can just revise it in 5 minutes and you're sorted. And I'm telling you, please don't study beyond this about Indigo or Air Arabia. Please. It will confuse you. You don't have to remember this 84.7% and this, all those things. You don't have to, know the exact figures or the facts. It's not required. Okay. But the idea was to have more number of points, because if it's coming from you in the airline interview, it shows, wow, yeah, this guy or this girl or boy have really done a lot of research about it. It shows that you're really inclined towards that airline a lot. ठीक है? Understood with me? तो इसके अलावा अब आपको कुछ भी पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है इंडिगो के बारे में. प्लीज अपना और टाइम मत इन्वेस्ट करना इसके ऊपर. ठीक है? विद मी? ठीक है? और कुछ लाइक या ठीक है, द परसेंटेज यू डोंट नीड टू रिमेंबर. ओके, लोड फैक्टर कितने एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. हाँ, CSR एक्टिविटीज you should know. Like he mentioned that during COVID time, they did a vaccination, this thing, transport, important. कुछ emotional वाली चीजें जरूर लाया करो सामने. Because the management people, they really love if somebody is talking about some good things about the, ठीक है, expansion is fine, but they feel good, better about it. Okay? So talk about this for sure. कि ये इंडिगो एयर इंडिया का ये CSR की एक्टिविटी है, वो हेल्प करते हैं, वुमेन पायलट्स को एम्पावर कर रहे हैं, ऑल दोस थिंग्स. सो वो जरूरी है. ठीक है? and then talk about expansion also सब में कि नए routes आ रहे हैं and प्रेम सर जो आपको latest articles भेजते मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ आप वो बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ो DGCA technical से ज़्यादा वो important है to have a more awareness what's happening in aviation across the globe. And I know a lot of people, they just read the heading of the aviation article. That's not enough. I want you to be a premium cadets. Right? So वो तभी आएगा जब आप आर्टिकल्स को पूरा पढ़ोगे रोज को एक अपना रजिस्टर में लेके चाहे आर्टिकल्स का समरी 3 पॉइंट्स लिख लो ठीक है इज दैट क्लियर that's it any doubt anyone have any doubts कुछ doubt है anybody okay so which team is the winner but why do you think that your team is the winner emotional point okay social point all okay ठीक है so this is my intention to bring this to aviation industry and to the pilot training and see you in the next video